All right, Friday, May 5th. Had a late start on this one, even though it was 500 feet. Special 24 gauge steel coil. 500 feet of gutters. Understaffed. Long pieces. We're doing wide bottom. So it's like almost 7 p.m. now. And we got a couple more hours. Hopefully we'll get out of here before sunset, but I might have to do a little cleanup. So got that one done. Left the end cap off. There's going to be a downspout here. We're going to wait for the drain pipes to come in, and then we'll cut our hole. We have a gutter here that we left. And the reason being is they have that wall over there. They got to put some siding, and so it's going to be in the way. We got this one installed, left the end cap off of it. And a lot of these gutters are long pieces. And they're very heavy gutters. Brackets every 2 feet. This one is the modern looking one. It doesn't have any lines. We hung this. We water tested everything. On this piece here, we're gonna have a downspout here, downspout here. We're waiting for the drain pipes. This gutter here, I think it was 60 something feet. I believe it's gonna be right here for the drain pipe. Maybe here, because it didn't want anything on the post, so. Same thing, we left the end cap off. I think we left the end cap on that side, so the gutter sloping this way. Got everything spiked off. Did some interesting corners on this side. This is a really big project, so no end cap there. Drop miter from there. And this downspout is just gonna drop into the system here for the water drainage. So we actually cut a hole here because this downspout will drop in there. This house will have 3x4 plain square downspouts after the siding, of course. Another drop miter there. So no end cap here. Put some good slope. And then another drop miter here. So no drain pipes here. This gutter is tilted, water tested, 100% flowing. And Dave did not bring any energy drinks today. So I guess he has no energy. No energy. All right, over there, we're gonna have a box or something, or a piece of gutter. Then another gutter going here, here, then a downspout. Because there's nowhere to put a downspout here, so the gutter's gonna go here and here against the wall. Same thing here, siding's not done, so we're just gonna move this gutter out 1 foot, leave some space. Yeah, still got a bunch of gutters up on the ground here. 1, 2, 3. Hey Dave, can you seal this hand cap? I need that sealed. We got this here to finish. The downspout is gonna be right here. So more gutters. They're nice looking gutters with internal brackets. Lots of brackets. So now we just have to figure out how to back out. It's a tight squeeze in here. And we'll be back whenever a siding's done. The gutters, extra pieces for over there. Made this one away from the wall so they can finish their siding. And finish this over here. All done.